Oh yeah!
Oh! Oh, that's a good one, man.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Well, folks, we are exploring the beach again. We're north of where we were this morning. This time we're at ramp 4 at Oregon Inlet. In fact, you can see that is the Bass Night Bridge right over there. For anyone who spends any amount of time in the Outer Banks, I highly recommend a beach driving permit from the Hatteras National Seashore. You can get a 10-day pass or a yearly pass, and it really opens up a lot of opportunities. Now, there's a lot of caveats in terms of beach driving safety, but one of the most important things is you need the right vehicle. Make sure it's a 4-wheel drive. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck on the sand.
Did I try to turn around over here?
You can keep going, bud. The tide's pretty low, so I think we're good. Yeah. Let's keep going up here. The National Park Service does have boundary markers, but we haven't passed them yet, so we'll see where they are. But yeah, it looks like we can go pretty far out here.
But you can never go here if the tide's high.
Not now, but the thing about this beach is always changing, and so there are some years or even some months, I mean, because it changes so rapidly, where it's not an issue. And then there are certainly times where there's just not much beach and the high tide goes all the way up to the what little dunes are left here.
Oh, there's the markers.
Where?
I think they're right there.
No, that's some vegetation.
Can I keep going here?
Yeah. You can keep going as long as we're not going beyond the markers.
It's pretty sketchy.
We'll try try sketchiness when the water's going up against these dunes, which is, that's when you don't want to be here. See, the tide's going out. Folks, I said before, if you are driving on the beach, make sure you know your tides. This is a really good example. If you were to drive through here where the tide was higher, you would not be in good shape. So safety first, know your tides.
Alright, so
Oh, what's that? That big lump thing.
let's go check it out.
I wonder if that's a fish or something.
Should we go check it out?
Yeah, of course. Just, I mean, drive closer so we can see what it is. Is it just a rock?
It's a rock.
It's a rock? Well, that's no good.
So we definitely can't go past here.
No, this is where sketchy comes into play.
Sketchy becomes real sketchy.
Yeah. So we're not,
Alright, so let's just
we are going to turn around.
Gotta get really tight here.
Just now wait till this wave goes out. You'll have room to turn. There you go, buddy.
Am I gonna?
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Just make a tight turn. Yep, good. Go. There you go. All right. Now go slow. Let's just look for shells and see what we can find. What is that thing though? That's a rock?
Yeah, it looks like it.
No, it's a piece of wood is what that is.
Oh yeah.
Reverse.
Tell me when.
It was a piece of green netting. Let me just get out and get it, okay? All right, folks, we have a trash sighting. One of the things that comes with driving on the beach is, in my opinion, a greater responsibility to clean up, because you're going to see more beach and have more opportunity to do it. So we always have a bucket or just throw in the back of the truck, but anytime there's any trash, you want to collect it. And we really haven't found a lot today. It's been kind of nice. So we have a what is that, Alex? What do you think it is?
I have no clue.
We have an interesting find here, folks.
It looks like a chair. Yep, that's a chair.
A chair?
Are we gonna put that whole thing in the truck?
Yeah, we gotta put it in the truck. So grab part of it. Just be careful in case there's any nails or anything. Oh man.
It's kind of open again.
Yeah, crap. We'll figure it out. There's not a ton of room. We'll figure it out. Let's put it in this corner here. All right, we got it. Fit it in here. We don't have much more room, Alex. Hopefully no more big whelk shells, because we ain't gonna fit them in the truck at this point. Woo, it's getting cold and windy. I was just commenting to Alex how we've been driving on the beach a fair amount today and we have not seen any dead animals, which is good. And we now have a shark sighting. It's a big shark. Is that a thresher shark, I think? Oh, it's not. It's one of those with the really long tails.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, we're gonna show you all the shark.
We're driving on the beach here. Why does it make sound giant shark? Here it is.
I'm not great with my shark species, but I believe it's a thresher shark. Its tail is like, I'm 6'5", and the tail is like almost as tall as I am. It's nuts. This is crazy. We're gonna actually, I think I'm gonna get, we have the tape measurement in the truck. We're gonna get it out and measure the shark from head to the tip of the tail. 12 feet 7 inches. Whoa! Well, as expected, the weather has taken a turn for the worse and it's now become overcast and it's gotten so much colder and windier. So we're both freezing right now, and unless we see something spectacular by the time we get to Ram 2, that's the last time we're getting out of the truck. And then we will end this video at home when we show you our haul, which includes some really awesome stuff.
Stuff.
Warm up there, Pikey, warm up.
My writing teacher's favorite word. Stuff.
Stuff, things. Because it's a very descriptive word.
Hey folks, we're back at the house and we're going to show you our haul. First we have this monstrosity of a chair. Let's pull this out.
Okay, that's where that belongs. All right, let's go look at the good stuff now. Actually, we have a little bit more litter. Let's get rid of that first.
Okay folks, we got the rest of the trash and we're just going to go get rid of it. Okay, now the shelves.
So we're not going to take them through each shell, are we, Alex? So we're just going to give them an overview here of what we found, our haul, and we're going to point out a couple of special shells.
Yeah.
Shell number 1 is this right here. So why don't you hold this one up?
Very nice.
This is like a perfect, and it's got a little sand on it, we'll clean it up, but this is just a perfect knobbed whelk. It's gorgeous. And then let's also point out this shell here.
Yeah.
I don't know all the sub variations, I'm sure there are some, but this is the very first helmet shell we've ever found. It's not intact, but it was enough to where we knew what it was, so super cool. And then we found a bunch of shark eye shells here, and then our whelks. And Alex, where are our whelks gonna go?
They're gonna go in the garden right there.
We got a little whelk garden over here. Needs a little bit of weeding going on here, but that's where the rest of those shells are gonna go. And so that is going to wrap up this video. What was your favorite find today?
Probably this shell right here, but you found it.
I did. Oh, I saw it.
Or you saw
I saw it. How about the 12'7" thresher shark that we
Yeah, that
saw?
was really cool.
That was pretty insane, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you do the outro, buddy.
All right, folks. All right, folks. All right.
Take a deep breath. You can do it.
All right, folks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you very much. See you guys later.
Put in drive. And you're going to turn and drive out there.
Are you going right a little bit?